Planning for retirement accounts in Massachusetts, as with pretty much anywhere else in the country, really revolves around the right beneficiary designation. It's really important to make sure that you review your beneficiary designations and make sure they're correct. Most people will want to leave their retirement accounts to their spouse, and for most families that's the correct choice. Sometimes in second marriages you may want to look at other options, but state and federal law may restrict you and require that you provide those accounts to a spouse. A prenuptial agreement can provide otherwise. It's this next set of beneficiaries that are the really important ones from an estate planning point of view. Most people will make the mistake of naming their children as the beneficiary after a spouse, and that can be one of the biggest mistakes that you can make. Instead, we recommend, for the overwhelming majority of the clients we work with, to name a trust as the beneficiary, not the kids. The trust can name the kids as beneficiary of the trust, but the trust will provide a level of asset protection that the children won't have if you name them individually. The right time to start estate planning for a retirement plan is really once you establish that retirement plan. Once you're 18, if you already socked away some money in an IRA or a Roth, you should think about planning. Now, at that early age, it may be nothing more than just putting the right person on as an individual beneficiary. But once your retirement accounts start to exceed values of around $150,000, that's when you should start thinking about adding a trust to be the beneficiary of those retirement plans. During an initial consultation about planning for retirement accounts, you're going to experience the same type of thing that you would with any estate planning consultation. We'll want to get to know you. We'll want to get to know your family. We'll want to know what are your concerns in taking care of your loved ones after your passing. Planning for retirement accounts is something that so many firms don't really consider when they're looking at your estate planning needs. And so working with a firm like Boyd & Boyd, where retirement account planning is so important when it comes to your estate plan, it's one of the things that I think distinguishes us from our competitors. We are always looking at IRAs, 401ks, and other retirement plans as an important planning opportunity. We're finding many of our clients, one of their largest assets that they have are their retirement accounts. And so working with us, you're going to get a wealth of knowledge and experience that many of our competitors just don't bring to the table.